A quick one here. I want to quickly share with you how to remove unwanted characters, unwanted data from your um, Excel work or from your database. Okay, for example, I have this kind of database which was sent to me. Okay, from one of my clients, and have to work on it and upload it for use. All right, looking at this data now, looking at this data, we have Pepsi 30 at live.sc, okay, colon Pepsi. The characters or data after the colons are the password of this email address. Okay, sorry, email address, yeah. But then we don't need the characters, this colon and password. We only need the email address. So we have to clean this off and only be left with the email address. But quite unfortunately, the data we have here is kind of much, and we won't be able to do it manually. If we have to be doing it manually here, it's going to take us a lot of times, a lot of days on this, and we won't get tired along the way. So what do we do in this case? I am going to introduce to you Excel wildcard and Excel strange. Those are the formulas you are going to use to work on this data, this raw data. Okay, I call it raw data. All right, so now we're going to copy this and go to Excel. Now we go to Excel, open a blank workbook. Great. Now paste it there, Control V to paste. All right. Now what are we going to do here now? We have to filter the password out, and then we have to filter colon and the password out of this. Okay, so now let's go. Okay, here we're gonna use the strange formula for Excel strange formula, that is asterisk. That's what we're gonna use here. The asterisk is this. Okay, this is the asterisk here. That's what you're gonna use to remove all the unwanted character from this cell A. Okay, now let's go. First thing you're gonna do is highlight everything. Okay, highlight the whole cell, then click on Control F, find and replace. We find the character colon, okay, and then remove every character, every other character that is after the colon. Now we are going to use the asterisk now. Okay, now this asterisk is one of Excel's wildcard. It can represent any number. All right, but in this video now, in this tutorial, this actually represents any number after the colon. All right, let's go then, and okay, we go to replace. Replace with what? We don't need any word there, so we leave the replace space empty. All right, so we're gonna click on replace all. Excellent, all done. We made 20,366 replacement. Imagine you doing this manually by removing it manually one after the other. You see how long, how much time it's gonna take you. Now you click on OK. Very fast, right? That's one good thing about Excel, using Excel formula. You have to understand Excel very well if you want your work to be fast using Excel. Now it's clear now. Okay. Let me show you um another formula. Okay, another formula. All right. In this formula, I'm going to show you how to remove any unwanted character in the either in the middle, at the beginning, or at the end of your data. Okay. Now go. All right. Come to cell B here, and then click on the search bar or the formula bar. Then enter the command strange, then substitute. Okay, substitute. What are we going to substitute? We are going to substitute the colon in the middle there. We're going to substitute the colon in the middle there and remove it completely. We don't want it there, so we want to remove it from there. Now what we're going to do, where does it start from? It starts from cell A1 down wherever we want to get it to. Now, okay, let's go ahead now. All right, then this is the formula. Hope you're getting it. A1, cell A1, okay, comma. So what character are we going to remove here? Cell A1, comma. All right, we can actually use the character code, or we use the string. Okay, we're going to use string here. Okay, we're going to use string, and the unwanted character we want to remove from here is the colon. All right, you're going to use the um, quotation, double quotation mark to put the colon in the middle, and then close it with quotation mark, then your comma, then double quotation mark. All right, now if you click out, you're going to get a result. All right, so what do we get there now? The colon has been removed, leaving out these other ones. Okay, now what I actually do here is that I substitute this to 0, to none. Okay, I substitute the colon to none. All right, that's the formula you can actually use to remove unwanted character in the middle or at the end or any place in the character. Okay, in the data that you don't want. All right, and if you want to populate this formula to cover up with everything you have here, you can now go down there. Okay, click on this, then drag. All right, drag it up and fill up the space B to the length or to the end of um, cell A. All right, but then this is just an example. Okay, if you want to do the rest, you can actually try it on your own there. All right, see, it populates it and remove all the colon we have there. All right, so this is how to use Excel wildcard, Excel formula, and the functions to simplify your work and um, make your work faster and easier. Thank you very much for watching this. If you learn something from this, if you gain something from this, kindly comment down below, like the video, subscribe to my channel. I will be bringing to you more tricks, more tips, and more exciting video that you are gonna like. Thank you so much. I love you all.